Assalamu alaikum. What's the most difficult thing you face after accepting Islam? Nothing is difficult because, again, the only thing matter is faith between me and God, me and Allah. That's the only thing which matters. But something which makes me sad a little bit is that knowing that I am not accepted in any places. Like, even when I go to some Islamic countries, some people have strong opinion against me, and that makes me very sad. And when I am in the non-Muslim country, people see me as something strange, and yeah, it's sometimes sad, but it doesn't matter so much.